Fire Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Union, Northern Madison, Southeastern Champaign until 4:45 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Urbana, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Mechanicsburg. In addition, Mutual, State Route 4, State Route 161, Rosedale, Plumwood, Resaca, and Chuckery are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.